Hey guys, we're here on storm night. Big storm, Glenn? Crazy. We had a day off. He's been playing all his games and everything you could think of. But this is a special shout out to Ryan, Jigs, Jagello, Willie Acosta, Larry, and all my friends and family. Glenn wanted to do something on storm night. He wanted to bust a move. We just got done eating dinner. And we're about to do a concert in the living room. We got all kinds of music lined up, and we're going to jam out. So he wanted to do this. Glenn, you want to say hi to Willie and Larry and Ryan?
Hi, Willie, Larry, and Ryan.
And how about all of our friends and family on Facebook? What do you got to say?
Yeah.
Say,
Hi.
what do you think? Stay safe and stay warm?
Yeah, stay safe and stay warm. It's going to be a huge storm.
I know, right? And here we go, Glenn. Ready? Are you ready, bud?
Yep.
All right, let's bust this out here. We got some old school beat, and Glenn's gonna bust it out. Here we go, guys. Happy storm night. Be safe out there. Lil G's gonna bust it down. Show him the heart, Glenn. Ho, ho, ho. Hey, go, 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 go. Turbo. You got a little spin in there? Double wave. You got some wave for Tony up in heaven? And they come back up like in class. Slow-mo. Now hit it. Square. Wave. Kick the leg like turbo. Other side. Pretend you got a hat on. Keep going. Keep going. Give me a walk up and spin. Pow! Now the best turbo you got. Break it down. Go! Hey! You got a moonwalk in you? Oh, snap! You got the box in you? Double wave? Oh, oh, hit it, Lil G. Say happy storm night, everybody! All right.